As a leader in the packaging industry, Guangzhou Kesheng Long Carton Packing Machine Company Limited currently has over 60,000 square meters modern factory possessing more than 160 sets of production equipment. It also has established R&D center in Guangzhou and Osaka, Japan. Every machine will be produced with stringent control of material processes, parts fabrication process control, CNC management, assembly SOP, quality control and testing check and SOP. KL has fostered an all-dimensional industrial chain integrated with technology R&D, production, assembly, pre-sale promotion, sales and after-sale services. With its full-fledged product designs, manufacturing and developing capability, Kesheng Long offers the most complete product range, quality and after-sales services in packaging market. Japan Shinko Super Alpha is manufactured 100% in accordance with Japan Shinko standard. It is designed with humanized operation system including one-button order change, in 15 seconds print plate mounting. Also, the new fixed type unit is adopted for Shinko Super Alpha to achieve a non-stop order change within 2 minutes. This greatly optimized the production efficiency. Each unit is driven by servo motors to enable a high precision and quality printing effect. Developed based on Shinko's 40-year experience, its forming wheel obtained patents in many countries and meet the highest standard forming requirements in automatic cardboard packaging production. Auto-counting, holding, squaring, and pushing to the strapping process ensure a neat and accurate stack. Excellent printing effect without scratches, perfect forming and folding effect, high efficiency and ink saving, cost effective, electricity saved over 50%. Shinko Super Alpha, your best choice. Shinko makes you better.